Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to speed up a video using InShot in 22.5. First, open the InShot app on your phone. Tap on Video, then choose the clip you want to edit from your gallery and import it into the timeline. Now look at the bottom toolbar and scroll until you see the option called Speed. Tap on it. Here you'll see a slider that lets you control how fast or slow your video plays. To make the video faster, drag the slider to the right. You'll notice the preview speeding up as you adjust. If you want to slow it down instead, drag the slider to the left. InShot also gives you the option of applying uniform speed across the whole clip, or you can tap on curve to create custom speed changes at different points in the video. This is perfect if you want certain parts to play in slow motion and others to play super fast. Once you're satisfied with the speed adjustment, tap the checkmark to apply it. Then go to the top right corner, hit Export, choose your resolution and frame rate, and save the edited video to your phone's gallery. And that's it. That's how you speed up a video in InShot in 22.5. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to check back again.